Hey, what's up, YouTube, Facebook, social media platforms across the board? Man, I haven't made a video in a while. I have been busy, I must admit. There's been a lot of progress going on. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, there was a HotShot set up in motion, and you guys, we got it. We got the truck, we got the trailer. These were used units, so admittedly both of them did need a little bit of work. However, I am more than satisfied with what I've got to work with so far, and man, we're actually at a shop now, seeing what we can do to get this 40-foot big Tex 22GN up to scuff and ready to pass the DOT inspection. You guys, it was a lot of sleepless nights. Hard work and dedication. I was continually filled with motivation and support, and I'm not going to take up a whole lot of this video talking. I think I'm just going to cut straight to the process of getting the truck set up to receive the Gooseneck trailer, which was done here locally in Horn Lake, the top of Mississippi, by some pretty experienced guys. So I'm confident in the work that they did, and here's the video. Alright, you guys, we are back home. Got the trailer dropped off at the repair shop. Hope you like the footage of the technicians working on that Gooseneck Receiver setup. Again, that was done locally in Horn Lake by Camper City. And those guys were a great help. It works. We were able to pull this gooseneck 40-foot big ticks over to the repair shop, and I'm satisfied with the progress that we're making. And I'm gonna keep saying this, you guys, a positive outlook definitely affects the outcome. I am satisfied with the results. If you guys would like to see more footage of the behind the scenes process of getting this setup ready for the road, then leave a comment in the comment section below. And until the next video, guys, stay positive. I'm out.